In this video, we will show you how to replace your cabin air filter on this Acura MDX. This will be located behind your glove box. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we have to do is lower the glove box. So first, we'll open it, remove anything from inside. After that, you're going to reach along each side of the glove box. Go ahead and tug it inward, and it should want to drop down. We'll lower this down carefully. Now behind this area is where your cabin air filter is going to be located. To remove it, you'll find along each side of this trap door, it has a locking tab. Once you squeeze those in, you should be able to pull this entire tray with the cabin air filter out of position. Slide that right out of there. Continuing on from here, we're going to remove the cabin air filter from this tray. Just go ahead and carefully squeeze on that and we'll lift it up and out of position. There it is, friend. Once you have the cabin air filter out of there, carefully have a peek inside this area. You can see the blower motor. I can spin it by hand. What we need to do is make sure there's no miscellaneous debris in there. If your cabin air filter looked like ours, where it had acorns and other debris, you want to ensure that nothing fell inside the blower motor, otherwise you might find that you have an issue. Ours looks fine, so let's continue on with our installation. We'll just give our tray a quick wipe, ensure there's no debris on this, and we can continue on with the installation of our brand new cabin air filter. First, have a look at the side of it. You can tell exactly which way it needs to go. We have it so the airflow will be flowing down and through this. Slide it right in there. Once you feel as though you have it in and it's completely seated, let's get this into the cabin air filter housing. Should press in very easily. If it feels like it's binding, you could cause damage to your cabin air filter. We'll just double check to make sure it's locked on each side. Confirming everything's properly secured, and we can close our glove box. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our cabin air filter. The last thing you need to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality of the blower motor. If you hear any odd noises, debris might have fallen inside, in which case you'd want to go ahead and open that back up again, remove any of that debris, reinstall, and test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.